This is 7,500 square feet of smart home behind me. It took us a year and a half to get to this point. We designed it, wire it, and right now we're coming into the final touches, but it's time for YouTube to see it. Let's go inside and check it out. Every aspect of construction is the same, whether you're building a $200,000 home or a multi-million-dollar home. You still have dust and dirt. So today, we wanted to get you involved in the dirty stages where all of the sanding, the hammering, the music playing is going on. Every single aspect of this home is custom. As you can see, all of the cabinets have been built or are actually being built here. When it comes to our side, for example, in this room, yes, we're gonna have a television up here, wired to this amazing 5.1 surround sound that you can't see because we use the Stealth Acoustics LR8G invisible speakers. There's actually 3 speakers in the front, 2 speakers in the back, and the subwoofer, we actually went with an Elura in-ceiling subwoofer that was installed before sheetrock. All you can see over there is a small vent for airflow and the bass to come out. Coolest thing about this house is majority of the speakers, let me take that back. All of the speakers downstairs are the Stealth Acoustics, where they're invisible and you can't see them anywhere. Upstairs though, we do have regular in-ceiling speakers. I'll take y'all up there in a bit. Let's check out this master bedroom. All right, so there will be a television mounted behind me with audio sent to the rack so we can play it through the invisible speakers in the ceiling that are also made for audio. Keep in mind that we will have a T4 touchscreen by Control4 here that will also control not just the audio and video in the room, but the smart shades that will be installed there. Now this huge home has multiple set of stairs. This is one of the coolest ones. Come on, let's go. All right, now we have a lot of square footage to cover, and some of these rooms are just gonna have a couple of access points and TV for Wi-Fi, but this is the 5.1 surround sound upstairs, and over here, upstairs, you can actually see the speakers. Come on. Here, we have another 5.1 surround sound. Now, aesthetics and look wasn't a big deal for upstairs, so they do have the pre-construction rings for what will be 6-inch in-ceiling blue label Elura speakers. Obviously, another big display in here for this surround sound. Everything upstairs has all in-ceiling speakers that you will be able to see. All of the rooms are under construction, so what I'll do is I'll give you a quick glance of what's going on in these bedrooms, and then we'll go check out the rack. So there's a lot of cables in this house. We designed it and wired it roughly about a year and a half ago. To give you a quick rundown of what this plethora of cabling is that will be getting cleaned up here shortly, is going to be motorized shades. We wired automatic smart shades to every window in the house. From there, we have zones of audio, over 16 zones of audio with multiple surround sounds were wired in the home. Coolest thing about it is majority of those speakers are invisible. From there, we have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi everywhere. For a home this size, we're going to make sure that we have a reliable network. So Wi-Fi is going to be solid. From there, all of the TVs are going to be hardwired. We wired multiple cat cables to the televisions to give you network and video and audio. That way we can pull audio from televisions, send it back into the rack, and play it through the speakers in the ceiling. Security. With this type of property, you want to make sure that you have peace of mind and you're secured. So contacts to all of the windows, all of the doors, all of the entry points. When I bring y'all back for completion, there's gonna be 2 big racks over here with a bunch of stuff. All this mess of wires is gonna be cleaned up and organized. We're gonna be coming in here in a little while to shave them, cut them up, label them, and get them ready for the rack. All right, so this is the kids' playground. As you can see, we got a big stage for karaoke. We're gonna have a wireless mic connected to the in-ceiling speakers in the ceiling. Couple things that I wanna point out is here, we installed our pre-construction mounts at the wiring stage to make sure that installation was smooth when it came time for trim out. Big tip for anybody wiring a home. Yes, send as many cabling as you want, but installing pre-construction brackets for your speaker size, for your touch panels, or anything that may require some later sheetrock or woodwork. It's good to get those installed at the pre-wiring stages, so when it's time for you to pop them in, they're easy, smooth, and they're already cut. No extra messes, no extra cuts, and a sharper installation. It's gonna be some big karaoke nights in this room. Design equipment installation, we are here to help. There's a link in the description. Click it, schedule a virtual appointment, connect with us. We are here to help. Thank you, subscribe to the channel. All right, back to the video. All right, so a house this size has a lot of stairs. This is the second set of stairs that we've used so far, and there's 2 more that we're not even gonna see today. I wanted to show y'all these homes in the construction stages because just like you, when you build your home, you're gonna go through this phase and you're gonna wanna know some of the things to keep in mind. Every single area has speakers that were installed at the sheetrock stage. The speakers are actually already installed. Please keep that in mind. All of these speakers are actually functioning speakers that if I connect our amplifier, you're actually gonna hear. The ones upstairs is just construction brackets. All of the stuff down here, even though it looks like sheetrock, there's actually speakers in play with 16 separate zones of audio. Come this way, let's check this out. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of wood cutting in here outside of what's already happened because this is gonna be the workshop. As you can see, we have another pair of in-ceiling speakers. We did account for budget everywhere in this house. Every room was thought about in design, not only with aesthetics, but budget in mind. You'll notice that some of the speakers in the house can range anywhere between the $800 to $1,500 range. The in-ceiling speakers that we laid out throughout the house, depending on the room and the audio experience that we're seeking, are gonna range anywhere between the $200 to $500 range. So we are dealing with a lot of square footage, and some of the post-construction stuff has already been planned for, but we are excited because we have a lot of square footage with a lot of future entertaining. So we already set up for in-ceiling speakers around this entire backyard, and we also pre-planned for future extension to when they build out the rest of this. At some point, there's gonna be addition to this, so we had to wire additional cabling for Wi-Fi expansion and some audio that's gonna be put out there. But we're also pre-planned for another television up here with, once again, multi-cabling for audio, video, networking, and anything that you may need. Out here, we are wired for access points because even though you're out here and you want to get away, you still want to be able to control your home. And with Control 4, it's preferably, if you're on the network, to speed up the process of things. But the beautiful thing is if for whatever reason you were to go all the way out there where those deers are, and as long as you have cell signal, you can still control the house because Control 4 allows you to control your system outside of the network. Security has been a big part of this project, so we pre-planned for cameras around the perimeter and some cameras in the front entry points and gate. That's it for phase 1. Thank you for tuning in. Like always, ultimate goal is to create educational and entertaining content, so I do hope that you come back to check it out when we're done. That's it for today, but like always, don't forget to look, listen, and live with Empire AV.